Are unlawful combatants protected under IHL? Imagine being caught in a war zone and unsure if you have any rights at all. War can be confusing and harsh, especially for those who don't fit the usual rules of combat. Today, we're exploring whether people labeled as unlawful combatants have any protections under international humanitarian law. Unlawful combatants are individuals who take part in hostilities but don't meet the legal criteria to be considered lawful combatants. They often don't wear uniforms or follow the laws of war, which makes them different from regular soldiers. Because of this, they don't qualify for prisoner of war status under the Third Geneva Convention. That convention gives full rights to lawful combatants who are captured, like humane treatment and fair trials. But unlawful combatants are not automatically entitled to these same protections. Even though they don't qualify as prisoners of war, international law still offers some protections. They are generally treated as civilians under the Fourth Geneva Convention. This means they must be treated humanely, protected from violence, and given basic rights if captured or detained. Additional Protocol 1 to the Geneva Conventions also states that anyone involved in hostilities who does not qualify as a prisoner of war must still be treated humanely. This includes protection from torture, cruel treatment, and summary executions. When unlawful combatants are detained, they can be prosecuted for their participation in hostilities, but their rights must still be respected. They must be given fair trials and humane treatment during detention. The law does not permit states to simply ignore their rights or mistreat them. The protections are there to prevent abuse and ensure dignity, even for those who act unlawfully. Some countries try to argue that unlawful combatants are outside the scope of international humanitarian law altogether. But courts and legal experts have clarified that everyone in enemy hands must be protected by the Geneva Conventions. Whether they are lawful or unlawful, their treatment must follow the rules of humane treatment and procedural fairness. In summary, unlawful combatants do not get the full rights of prisoners of war, but they are still protected under the Fourth Geneva Convention and Additional Protocol 1. These protections include humane treatment, prohibition of torture, and fair judicial procedures. This system of rules helps ensure that even those who break the laws of war are treated with respect and dignity during conflicts.